What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fly jets with controller in Battlefield 6. Practice flying jets is really easy. First of all, join experience where you can practice flying without any trouble, and to do that go to community, then select search experiences, then search for heli or jets and sort it by most liked, then select any of the server from these two, then select host, scroll down and click on host locally so that only you will be available inside this server without anyone disturbing you. Now let's start with basic controls. To enter any of the jet, just go toward it, then press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation to enter the jet. Now before I start flying, I need to tell you one setting. For that, pause your game, then go into settings. Now we need to go to the gameplay, then select vertical look settings. Now all of my settings are turned off here, and if you wanna follow along on this video, then you need to turn it off as well so that you can follow with the controls shown in this video. Now we can go back from here. Now let's start flying. To go forward, we need to push our left stick forward, and to get afterburner, press down your L3 button and then flick your right stick to the up so that we will pitch up and our jet will be lifted up. If you wanna go downward, then we just need to push your right stick to the down and then our jet will go pitch down like this. If you wanna roll your jet, then flick your right stick right or left and then your jet will roll like this so that you can dodge the bullets of your enemies. Now I wanna go upward. For that, flick your right stick to the up. You can roll it by flicking your right stick in any of the direction. If you wanna take left turn, then just flick your left stick to the left and it will take a sharp left turn. If you keep holding the left stick forward and then the left turn, then it won't take a sharp turn, it will just take a turn after the movement. And now if you wanna pitch up, then just flick your right stick to the up and then it will go upward. If you wanna go downward, then flick your right stick down. If you wanna roll your jet, then just flick your right stick in any direction and then it will roll like this so that you can dodge the bullets of your enemies. Now I wanna go to the left. For that, I need to keep holding the left stick to the left and then it will take a left turn. So basically left stick controls your movement and right stick controls your pitch and roll. Now I wanna change the camera angle. For that, I need to press my R3 button and then the camera angle will be changed like this, and you can fire with this camera angle. If you wanna change the weapon, then just press Y or triangle and then it will swap the missile or weapon of your jet. Now let's say I wanna roll my jet. For that, I need to flick my right stick in any direction, then it will take the roll like this. And now I wanna land my jet. For that, I need to go toward the runway or any of the platform you can land on. Start by slowing down with pushing your left stick backward. Line yourself up with a runway or any long flat area. Lower your speed gradually. Keep the nose slightly raised and let the jet descend slowly. Touch down at low speed and ease off the throttle to stop safely. If you are new to jets, spend a little time in a quieter server or a low action match and practice the basics: taking off, flying straight, turning smoothly and landing. Once those feel comfortable, start working on shooting targets and eventually dogfighting, and that's it. Once you get the hang of the controls, flying jets with a controller becomes much easier and a lot more fun. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.